In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add holdings in Simply Safe Dividends. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, plus a few tips so your numbers display the way you expect. Start by logging into your account and heading to the Portfolio Tracker. This is the area that shows your current positions, income, and performance. If you have more than one portfolio set up, make sure you're in the one you want to update. Inside the Holdings section, you'll see a list of everything already tracked. That's where we'll add the new position. Look for the Add button within the Holdings section and click it. If your screen is compact, you may need to scroll horizontally or down the page to find it. Clicking Add opens the form that lets you place a new security into the portfolio without importing from a broker. Next, choose the option to add stocks or bonds. A search box will appear. Type either the company's name or its ticker symbol. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the right listing, especially if the company has multiple share classes or trades on more than one exchange. The correct ticker ensures dividends, payout dates, and pricing update accurately. After you've selected the security, enter two key details: the number of shares you own and your average price paid. The share amount can be a whole number or a fractional amount if that's how you hold it. For average price, use your cost per share. Some investors include commissions and fees in this number, others don't. Be consistent with whatever method you use across your portfolio so yield on cost and gain calculations are meaningful. Once those fields look good, click Done to save. You should see the new holding appear in your list right away, and the portfolio totals refresh to reflect your position. Check that the ticker, share count, and cost basis match your records. If something looks off, you can revisit the entry and correct it before moving on. That's all there is to it. Log in and open the Portfolio Tracker, hit Add in the Holdings section, pick Add Stocks or Bonds, and find your company, enter shares and average price, and click Done. Repeat the same process for any additional holdings you want to add manually. Keeping these entries accurate will help Simply Safe Dividends calculate your income, yield, and risk insights correctly, giving you a clear picture of your dividend strategy.